So we're still on the matter. We are done installing the fish ponds. So far so good. The fish ponds are all ready with all the pipes in and everything, and the snail house too is almost ready. As you can see, we are transforming every damn thing. So we are inside the snail house right now, working relentlessly. We are also planting too, and very soon we will be installing the irrigation materials. As you can see, we have our pipes here where we're going to channel our sprinkler. Other pipes are here too. So we are almost done. All is almost ready, and even the staff house that was nothing is almost completed. See, it's one thing to give your stuffs to inferior persons, and it's one thing to give your stuff to professional. So at the Seeker Snail Farm, we make sure we give you quality, and that is what we stand for.